Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we know why the Audi A4 consumes oil, let's go over solutions, what you can do to manage or fix the problem. Solutions and repairs for Audi A4 oil consumption. Dealing with oil consumption in your Audi A4 can feel overwhelming. The good news is there are several ways to tackle this issue, from simple maintenance steps to more involved repairs. Your approach will depend on the severity of the problem and your willingness to invest in a fix. Let's explore the common solutions. Regular oil level monitoring and top-ups. One of the easiest things you can do? Check your oil level often. This helps you stay ahead of potential issues. You don't want to wait for the warning light to come on, especially if your Audi is known for using more oil. Here's how to check your oil. Warm engine. Drive your car until it's at normal operating temperature. Park on level ground, pull over onto a flat surface. Wait 5 minutes. Turn off the engine and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Location. Locate your dipstick. Many Audi models have a digital oil level display, but a physical dipstick is always reliable. Wipe and reinsert. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then pull it out again. Read the level. Check where the oil line falls between the minimum and maximum marks. When you need to add oil, always use the right kind. Your Audi's owner's manual will specify the correct oil weight and type, e.g., 5W40, synthetic. Using the wrong oil can make the consumption worse or even harm your engine over time. Stick to high-quality, approved brands. PCV valve replacement. Sometimes, a faulty PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, valve is the first place to look. If this valve isn't working right, it can create too much pressure or vacuum inside the engine. This can pull oil vapors into the combustion chamber, leading to more oil being burned. Replacing the PCV valve is generally a less expensive and simpler fix compared to major engine work. It's often tried as a first step because if it solves the problem, you've saved yourself a lot of money and time. A qualified mechanic can diagnose if your PCV valve is the main culprit behind your A4's oil consumption. Piston and connecting rod replacement, Audi's official fix. For many Audi A4 owners, the long-term solution involved a more significant repair. Audi later recognized the piston ring design flaw in the 2.0 TFSI engine and issued a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB. This effectively became their official fix for excessive oil consumption. This extensive repair involves replacing pistons, new pistons with a revised, thicker ring design. Piston rings. Improved piston rings that seal better against the cylinder walls. Connecting rods. These are often replaced as part of the assembly with the new pistons. This procedure is a major engine overhaul, requiring significant labor and parts. It essentially means disassembling a large portion of the engine. While effective, it is a costly repair if not covered by warranty or a special service action. Many owners found lasting relief from oil consumption after this specific repair. Considering aftermarket solutions and engine swaps. Some Audi A4 owners look beyond the standard fixes, especially if they are out of warranty or seeking alternative performance enhancements. While official Audi repairs are generally recommended for reliability, there are other paths. Here are a couple of options some owners consider. Aftermarket performance parts. Some specialized shops offer aftermarket piston and connecting rod kits designed to better withstand the demands of the 2.0 TFSI engine. These might offer improved durability or performance, but they are not endorsed by Audi and can affect future warranty claims. Research these options carefully and work with a reputable tuner. Engine swaps. In extreme cases, particularly for very high mileage cars with severe unaddressed consumption, an engine swap might be an option. This involves replacing the entire engine with a new or rebuilt unit. This is often the most expensive route. It's usually considered only when the cost of repairing the current engine outweighs its value, or when an owner wants to upgrade to a different engine variant. This choice is less common and often made by those with deep mechanical knowledge or a specific performance goal in mind. Dealing with oil consumption in your Audi A4, particularly the B8 2.0 TFSI models, is a common concern for many owners. The good news is that understanding the root causes, like the specific piston ring and PCV system designs, gives you a clear path forward. Regular oil level checks are a critical first step, helping you stay ahead of potential damage. While simpler fixes like PCV valve replacement can help, be aware that many cases require Audi's more extensive piston and connecting rod repair for a lasting solution. Staying informed and addressing these issues promptly prevents more serious engine problems and helps keep your A4 running smoothly for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.